Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get your direct deposit form from the Bank of America app. First, open the Bank of America app or go to bankofamerica.com. Tap the search bar at the top right, then type direct deposit. Select Direct Deposit Form, Bank of America from the results. Now, choose either to log in for an auto-filled form or click Setting up Direct Deposit to get a blank one. Tap Download Direct Deposit Form and fill in your employer's details, account information, and deposit amount if needed. Once done, submit the form to your employer, not to the bank. And that's it. You've now got your Bank of America direct deposit form ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.